AI does for sure sound promising for manufacturing. Do you see that there's any gap between the reality and promises?
Yes, I think that's a rhetoric question. So, of course, there is a quite a big gap between this promise and then the reality, and that is just understandable due to a couple of reasons. So, the reality in most plants, mills, factories is still that whereas AI promises major impact, the development is quite often blocked. So it stops in the early phase, at least to the proof of concept mode. It might be due to several different reasons: lack of available machine data, lack of consistency in systems such as manufacturing execution system. Then we might have some data available like quality results, but there is no linkage between the other data that would reveal the root causes. Might also be that we have predictive models in place, but we don't know the different interrelations between the models and between the different assets related to that particular use case. Then it might also be that the AI pilots are kind of one-offs or skunk work projects, so that they are not integrated as part of the platform and not therefore reusable. And then the data quality and trust issues are a big thing here. We are also going a little bit deeper on that particular topic later on. But then one important kind of reason for reality in most of the plants and most of the manufacturers is the legacy infrastructure. So industrial corporations are normally a result of quite long consolidation. So one company has been acquiring next one and next one and next one, and with each acquisition there has been some new systems, not very well harmonized systems as part of the system landscape. And these older infra and older systems, particularly on OT side, is normally designed and commissioned for local monitoring and control, but not to be connected to as part of the common data platform or for AI use, which is of course a very fresh, very new thing. And this kind of architecture is not scalable, so even if we have some solutions for one plant, one location, it is not scalable along the whole company. So in these situations, normally everybody agrees on the need for harmonization, but it's very hard to justify the investment for this and justify the return on investment of system renewal.